welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to do a quick little time lapse of this mandala that I've got here behind me. A lot of times I start these mandalas and have these different projects laying around. Found this one when I was cleaning up the studio the other day, and I said, hey, you know what, I need to finish this one up. So I went with a nice blue palette so that it would match the rest of this room that I'm decorating here in our house, and let's get going. Let me catch you up a little bit here as far as what tools did I use to get my mandala started. So working with this compass, this one's my favorite. It's got these great quick release buttons, allows you to expand open your compass to different sizes really fast. Then I'm using the different types of technical pens. I use Micron and Artline. One thing to always notice is that they come in a whole bunch of different sizes. So here, playing around with full range from a 2 to a 0.3 to a 0.5 to a 0.6 so that you can get the different line weights. And here's some examples of some other ones that I've done using the different technical pens. And then when it comes to watercolors, some of my favorite things that I like to use are these new watercolors that I found from Japan. They have these most beautiful pearlescent colors. So you can notice as we get further along into the time lapse that I'm using some of these golds and the blacks, and this white here is a really nice opaque white and helps you get back to some paper color. Then watercolors, I use this beautiful tray right here, and it's nice and messy. Sometimes the stuff that's going on in here, that's my favorite stuff. And then all different assorted size brushes. I like to use sometimes the Cotman ones, but I've also found that there's this more inexpensive brand, Dynasty, makes some very nice watercolor brushes as well. So let's get to drawing and painting. Thanks so much for watching again today. If you go ahead and like this video, give it a great thumbs up. And if you'd like to have more tips and tricks on drawing, painting, creating mandalas, and other sorts of fun DIY art projects, go ahead and click that subscribe. So thanks again for watching.